Hi, Kumar sir.
Hi, good
Yesterday
morning.
I pinged you regarding the job.
Yeah, I came to know the team told me congratulations for that.
Thank you so much, sir.
So
Thank you
so
so
happy
much.
to know about your placement really, and that two offers you got. Team mentioned.
Yes,
Perfect. Yeah. But
yeah,
just tell me.
yes. So Kumar sir, the thing is that I have total 13.5 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
Previously, I was
Okay.
and on 3rd of September, you must have heard regarding this, right?
Correct.
70,
Correct.
80,000
Yeah.
associates.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I was in a testing site. So,
Okay.
at around July 2022, they told that actually my project got finished at that point of time. I was
Mm-hmm.
in a QA segment. From beginning till end, I was in QA.
Okay. Okay.
So, at around July 22nd, I have been told that your project is getting finished. So, please wait for some time in bench. We will arrange some good projects for you.
Okay. Okay.
So, but after 2-3 weeks also, they were unable to allocate me any project. And on 3rd of September, it was my
Okay.
birthday.
Oh.
So they told that unfortunately we will have to give you release.
Oh.
You must
Sorry
give
to
your
hear that. Yeah.
resignation. It was a forced resignation kind of.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So like from on 3rd of September, I have been I was terminated from TCS,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I tried my level best to get a project with my QA profile. I was a automation tester.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
Selenium, JMeter, all these things I
Yeah.
have, but I was not able to find because right, in testing site currently LinkedIn, Naukri, one opening and say 2,000 or
True. True.
1,500,
Yeah. Yeah.
3,000 associates are applying.
Correct. Correct.
So I was very depressed that point of time. And 22nd, I remember the date, 22nd of September, I was
Yeah.
just randomly searching some materials in YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, suddenly, I don't know why, suddenly I saw your demo classes there, right? Demo first class.
Correct,
Okay.
Abhijit. Yeah.
Suddenly I saw, like, it was not like that I was searching some ERP system or I was not searching anything. Like, I was randomly searching, like Selenium material,
Mm-hmm.
JMeter material, these things.
So again,
But
related to
I don't know why.
automation and testing, you are searching. Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
something like that. Like all these things, like how to get job in a quick, because 13.5 years experience I have. It was
Vast
like
experience.
I was
Yeah.
a little bit nervous that with this experience, how I will survive. I have a
Correct.
family
Correct.
also, like my
Correct,
wife,
Abhijit.
my 5 years old daughter.
Correct.
Suddenly I saw that demo class by Kumar sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell you very frank, before that I didn't have any idea what exactly is ERP.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So suddenly I saw that, okay, I thought that, okay, let's see this video. It looks like interesting. Okay, I
Yeah.
completed that video and I found that, okay, no matter what will be my future, I must register for that. Because you
Correct.
demonstrated, demo class in such a good way. Although I don't even know that point of time that what exactly the full form of ERP.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct. Yeah.
okay.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
I saw the entire video and immediately on that day, 22nd, I have registered for that. And you within I think 10-15 minutes, I got a message, a WhatsApp message from your end
Correct.
that
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
your registration is confirmed. But I did a mistake that time. Like I
Yeah.
wanted to take the video course, but by mistake I think I clicked the wrong button. But I have registered for the sorry, I wanted to attend the live classes actually,
Correct.
but by
Correct.
mistake I have done. I think I have clicked some wrong button so that I have registered for the video course.
E-learning option
Okay,
you registered. Correct. Yeah.
e-learning option. Yes. And from
Correct.
that time, every day, okay, from 7 o'clock. Okay, although in your video course you are telling that per day one class you are
Correct.
taking, right? But
Correct. Correct.
because I was in a rush to get a job. Actually, you
Correct. Correct.
understand my situation, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So every day 4 5 courses, and that time I was not having any work like office work or office load. So
Okay.
4 5 video courses I was finishing in a rapid way.
Yeah.
Okay, core
Yeah.
HR, absence, talent, okay, payroll, these things, everything I finished.
Yeah, Abhijit.
Okay,
Yeah.
and I revised that actually. Tell you very honestly, your each video I have seen minimum 10 to 15 times. so that no matter from which segment they will ask me question, I will be able to
Yeah,
answer
it got
that.
registered in your
Okay.
mind each and every topic. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes. Okay. Each and every video, although it is a very like simple kind of video or very
Yeah.
tough video, like payroll segment, right?
Correct.
It's
Correct.
very like, little bit, but I got keen interest in that, like in the payroll segment.
Yeah.
Okay, this taxes calculation, all these things. Okay,
Yeah.
and December 4th, I like got to know that yeah, okay, right now I can sit in the interviews, and
Mm-hmm.
December 5th, I released my profile. I got like the reference. You took on one classes, right? This how to prepare the resume and
Resume. Correct. Correct.
yes. I couple of things I took from this, like all the dummy series you have provided there. I
Correct. Correct. The
like took
sample
the reference
resumes
from
and all
there.
we have given in that. Correct.
Yes. And from testing point of view, I like in the CV 10 to 20% I kept from testing because you
Correct.
told that no matter what you are doing, it is not like that you are doing something wrong. You
Correct.
can keep your existing functionality or existing role you can keep. So 10 to 15% I kept as a tester, and I have mentioned that 5.5 years of experience I have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all the projects which I have completed from testing background, I
You
like
kept as HCM.
make it as
Understood. Yeah.
yes, exactly, yes.
Understood. Absolutely.
And like I have given first interview happened 13th of December.
Oh,
13th
nice.
of
Nice.
December from a company, Mata Consultancy Service,
Mm-hmm.
MATA.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
MCS. Okay, I cleared that. First
Mm-hmm.
shot, I cleared that. And after that,
Great.
PwC interview happened.
Okay.
PwC, unfortunately, I couldn't like clarify that. Okay,
Okay.
because they were looking for some support project. So I
Mm-hmm.
told that I am an implementation
Implementation side you
consultant.
want. Yeah.
Yes. And
Okay.
after that, Wipro L1 I cleared, Capgemini L1 I cleared. Okay, then a couple of interviews like I don't remember the names. Small
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
medium sized company.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and not last week, last week, Oracle called me directly,
Okay. Okay.
and they told that they are interested in my CV and they wanted to take the interview. I was a bit nervous because Oracle I am
Oracle. Correct.
like Oracle I'm learning and direct Oracle is calling me.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
and I told that okay I can give. So they asked me that in which module you are comfortable. So I
Mm-hmm.
told that I am comfortable in core HR, absence, talent, and although I'm not a payroll consultant, but I am interested in payroll also, US
Okay.
payroll.
Okay. Great.
So they
Great.
told me that like tell me top three module which you are interested. So I told them okay like core HR, absence, and talent. So
Mm-hmm.
they scheduled the interview. It was a long interview, like 1 hour 30 minutes.
Definitely.
Okay.
Oracle technical round should be very long. Correct. And very deep.
Yes,
They
yes,
will
yeah. But
test
it
that.
went very well. They didn't grill me like basic questions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like from core perspective, like they asked me what is the org structure.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
in your video you told the reference data sets are there, right?
Correct. Correct.
So they asked me a couple of questions from reference data set.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, from absence point of view also various kinds of like tell me what is the absence plan, what is the difference between absence plans and types. Okay,
Okay.
roles and job differences, these kind of
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
Core concept. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
live questions also they were asking work relationship, create work relationship. Is it possible to create multiple work
Yeah.
relationship?
Yeah.
This kind of questions.
These all we covered, I
Okay,
think. I used to mention
exactly,
important
exactly.
questions, note it down.
Exactly. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, yes. I was making note. Why whatever questions and whatever
Correct.
pointers you were telling. Na, in the
Correct.
classes, I
Correct.
have
Yeah.
all these things in my note.
Yeah.
Okay, so 80 to 90% questions I got common, direct from your like
Perfect.
material.
Perfect.
Okay, and 10% like little bit scenario based
Scenario
question.
based questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Like if I will do this, okay,
Mm-hmm.
from Oracle, tell you very frank, Oracle didn't ask me that kind of scenario-based question.
Mm-hmm.
IBM actually asked me.
Okay.
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 So Oracle interview I gave, it went well, and within this day, like after 1 2 hours, the HR called me that you are L1 selected,
Mm-hmm.
and we will let you know like regarding the L2.
L2.
And
Okay.
yeah, and after 2 days, IBM also called that
Mm-hmm.
we want to schedule L1 for you.
Mm-hmm.
And IBM also they took long interview, approx
Okay.
50 minutes to 1 hour interview they took.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
after 1 day, they told that L1 you are selected and L2 we want to schedule.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, L2 of IBM it didn't go long, 15 to 20 minutes, mainly managerial question.
Correct.
Okay,
Okay.
like you are
See, generally
comfortable
L1
in
is only the main interview. The core technical people
exactly,
will take.
exactly.
L2 will be managerial round only many of the times.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yes. No, for Oracle, the L1, L2 also they took 45 minutes. It was
Mm-hmm.
core technical. Two
Mm-hmm.
associates from
Okay.
director level, they sat and
Okay. Okay.
they asked mainly this technical interviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Absence, mainly they were asking questions from the absence. All the questions I have given correct answer. I
Nice.
told them that fast formula I'm not that much comfortable because I am started learning, but
Correct.
basic to mid-level fast formula definitely I can write. So they
Okay.
asked me a couple of fast formula logic also. I told them derived factor, eligibility profile. They were asking questions mainly from these areas.
Okay.
Yeah, then proactively told that they actually from last couple of interviews they were like other companies they were asking, have you done anything in OTL?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So in the work shift, work day pattern, these kind of
Yeah.
things you covered in the absence side, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
proactively I told that although I'm not a OTL expert, but I have learned this basics of work
Okay.
shift, work
Okay.
day pattern, schedule, calendar days, these things. So they impressed. And within this day only, they selected me for IBM. And
Okay.
next day, Oracle also selected me.
Great. Great. Congrats. Congrats. So
Thank you
what is the
so much, sir.
package they offered?
Oracle package, I will tell you the exact figure.
Mm-hmm.
Oracle, they are offering 25.6.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay. And IBM?
IBM, they are offering 27.6.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Very good packages you got. Yeah.
Yes, yes. My TCS package was 18.76. So I was
Oh.
telling that like 30-40% hike I got,
So
like
so
I need
so so the so sometimes whatever bad comes in our life also will be helpful to us, right? If you if
absolutely,
if
sir,
you have not
absolutely.
laid off from TCS, you would have gone with the same package and you be on the same comfort zone. So something
Exactly,
happened and
exactly.
something good happened in your life.
Exactly, sir. And like, trust me, sir, like currently I'm not able to believe that directly I'm talking to you. Every
Yeah,
from 7 o'clock,
yeah,
sharp 7 o'clock till 10 to 10:30. I used to practice all the questions and all the video materials. Okay,
that's
like
what.
if we are taking two like the video course, two batches we are getting, right.
Correct, correct.
So May batch and I believe the
Current batch and
September batch
also
I
the
got.
recent ongoing batch will both will get. I mean,
Yes,
completed
yes,
batch
yes.
and ongoing batch will get. Yeah,
Yes. So after completing the first video course, I started the second. So that like if any extra things if you are covering, I will not miss that. This kind of approach I took.
definitely.
Okay.
Correct, correct.
Then all the like PDFs you are providing, right?
Correct. So
Absence
did our
related project.
interview question and answers what we given to you as part of the training and also the workshop
Yeah,
session
I told
majorly
you no, that
the
yeah, 80
implementation
to 90
project.
percent.
Yeah,
Yeah, 80 to 90%. Even the class, the recorded class you provided, na, the
yeah,
real life project experience.
exactly. The implementation
The
project.
OUM methodology, yeah.
Correct, correct.
Oracle asked me that define the OUM methodology.
Yeah,
And
in the
15
last
minutes
closure
I took,
session of every batch, I will particularly mention about this.
yes,
Some common
exactly.
questions will hit you first of all, first 4 5 questions like what is
Yes,
OUM
yes, yes,
methodology or what
yes,
are
yes,
your
yes,
day-to-day roles and responsibilities. See, if you have a
exactly,
plan in place in your preparation, that's what the result that you proven today. It's not that easy.
exactly,
Within
sir.
1 month of time, you've been cracking almost every interview, but finally you got two offers because the rest of them might be in the pipeline. But the kind of confidence you built is matters here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. And
Uh,
like Oracle interview, one very senior guy, he was like approx 50
mhm.
to 55 years of age, old
Okay. Okay.
like guy.
Okay.
So he asked me directly, like, are you following OUM methodology? I told yes, so we are following OUM methodology in
Yeah.
our
Yeah.
project. So
Yeah.
he was telling that, okay, directly asked me that, define the OUM methodology. I am sitting, you could define. So
So we
step
have
by
the
step, each
faces.
and everything,
Yeah.
23 steps you have mentioned.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I mentioned that. Then the next question was how many, like which documents you are preparing. So this
Yeah.
RD50, then
Yeah.
testing documents, all these things. This SDL also, a couple of questions they were asking from this SDL and HDL.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Basically, more or less, like in a nutshell, I can tell you the topics you have covered from each and every module. They asked me the questions, and I
Mm.
was very much confident. In the first couple of interviews, it happens, right? That when like you are a little bit tensed. You are just buying the time.
Correct, correct,
My answers was very lengthy. Like I was
correct.
thinking that by at any cost I need to spend that 30 minutes. Uh,
The
Okay,
strategy that you
so
implemented there,
yes,
yeah.
yes, position synchronization, very cool, important things. Almost in every interview they ask me the what is the
Correct,
position synchronization.
correct, correct.
Okay, so I'm very
Fine.
thankful to you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Very
fine.
thankful to you.
Thank you very much, and I'm really happy to hear that from you. I mean, like, team mentioning me from last 2 days that I want to talk to you,
Yes,
but
yes.
because of other trainings, I got busy. But
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
I understand that, sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Sir, I have
congratulations on it.
one,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Sir, Sir, I have one question here.
Hmm.
The interview I cleared, right? So what would you suggest? Which company will be suitable for me? Like
See, my
IBM or,
suggestion is go with only because you have a very
okay,
professional experience over there. They will all the entire process
okay.
that they will maintain in Oracle in every
Mm-hmm.
implementation. The kind of approach, everything that you will be getting very different compared to other
Yes,
companies
yes,
because all
yes,
are
yes.
consulting companies. They do projects of Oracle, but if you be on the
Yes,
main home company, na, the kind
yes,
of
yes.
knowledge, the kind of process, the kind of consulting experience with Oracle will be very different. It's 100% no doubt about that.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
So,
That.
mm,
Just one more question. So,
mhm.
like, definitely, like, they are the professionals, right? They are itself the Oracle guys.
Correct.
So, how I will survive? Like, tell you very frank, I don't have the live project experience, right?
Mhm.
So, it will it happen that after say 1 or 2 weeks they will find that
No,
because
no, no,
like,
not like that. See, if you are into a kind of intermediary level of understanding or a basic level, or you have done
uh,
some proxy interview, someone helped you, then you have to worry about. But with the knowledge or the
okay,
expertise now, what I came to know after speaking with you, definitely you will able to manage. Probably first 15 days or 1 month of time, you might
yes,
be looking
yes,
here and there, but within 1 month you
yes,
will get
yes,
settled over there. No problem. Whatever we learned
okay.
only will be there. Nothing new will come there.
Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Even the interface also is same. The
Yeah,
application
yeah, same,
interface also is
exactly the
same.
same because the latest UI only will be covering the training. So be
Exactly.
confident. You can go ahead, no problem. Okay.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
sir. Sure. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Please
much,
leave
sir.
us
Thank you.
review in the Google. It will be very helpful to
Yeah,
us.
yeah. Definitely, definitely,
Yeah, please.
definitely.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure,
Thank you
sir.
very
Sure.
much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.